Represent your favorite team as you go head-to-head, or block-to-block, with friends and family in this NFL twist on the classic tabletop stacking game. Wild Sports football games and sports games are officially licensed by the NFL with color schemes for every team in the league. These tabletop games blocks, similar to Jenga, are beautifully crafted from wood with a classic look that captures your team in the best light. 54 NFL game blocks and a stacking card are included. Block dimensions: 3 by 1 by 0, 5. Starting stacking height: 9. Looking for fun man cave stuff or football stuff for kids? These professional NFL football blocks make fantastic men gifts at any time of year. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what is described. This was a gift for my daughter's boyfriend. He was very happy with it. It is exactly as described. I have been burned before buying things that end up being poor quality or not anything like the description given, but this is a very nice simple gift for a Patriots fan.